Hello my crafty and creative friends. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Deborah and I'm the hands behind Taylor's Yarn Creations. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my personal review of what I think about the Amigurumi Crochet Kit by Red Heart. Now, I have not totally finished it, but I want to just go ahead and share with you now since I'm almost complete. The only thing I have left is the collar and its tail. In the art and craft section of my local Walmart, I found this cute little crochet kit called Eddie the Bear. It was the only one, so I just couldn't help passing it up. It cost about $5. It comes with everything you need. Eddie the Bear comes with a well-written pattern. This pattern is very well written. It includes everything from the polyester stuffing to the yarn fill to the stitch marker to the threads to finish the little eyes and the details to the crochet hook to the needle and of course the pattern itself. It does not come with scissors, and that's okay. So here's the little yarn that it comes with, the little wrapper, and it is it said it's mint blue. That's weird because the yarn is not, I don't see, this isn't mint blue. The wrapper itself, it is not mint blue. The color is not mint blue. This is a tan color. Anyway, it is a size 1 fine, super fine yarn, and it uses a 2.5 millimeter hook. It gives you the instructions for how to wash it as well. So my little hook is here, and it is definitely a 2.5. Here's the yarn. The rest is in a really nice container, little plastic Ziploc bag. It has the black yarn for the detail, the little stitch marker, and also the tapestry needle. I don't want to take it out because that tapestry needle is kind of little there. And of course the stuffing. So here's my little Eddie. I have everything finished with Eddie. Here is his muzzle. I have his 2 ears right here. They are finished. I need to do his collar, so I need to make sure that that is there. And then I have his 2 little arms. So Eddie is almost finished. So what do I think? $5 is not a bad price. The pattern was well written. I appreciated having all the supplies. The one thing I did not like was that this yarn splits. And let me share with you what I mean. This splitting of the yarn made it really challenging for me. Maybe somebody else can do it, but I found that it caught on this hook quite a bit and that it just made it kind of difficult to work the pattern at the speed that I typically can work it with hook. And so I did not like the yarn type that they chose for this project. As you can see, Eddie here, I may call him something else, but for now he's Eddie. You can see he has like little yarns all throughout his body. I'm not a bad crocheter at all. I'm certified, not that it means anything, but I'm a pretty good crocheter. And I just found that this yarn, when I was using it, it caught quite a bit onto this hook. So the yarn is not the best quality yarn. it is not the best quality at all, which made it very challenging to create little Eddie. This yarn, the white yarn, for some reason, it still has some splits on it, but I found that it worked a little bit better than this one. I don't know if I just got a bad batch or what. So if I were going to rate this crochet project, I would give it a 3.5, mainly because the yarn itself splits so bad and my crochet hook kept catching onto it. And when you're working on amigurumi, the yarn type matters. It really matters, because this right here would not be something I could sell at a market or any type of event, mainly because of this. I would have to put it in clearance, which at best, Eddie is probably going to be a gift. I will try to straighten up some of his little, I wish you can see it. I don't know how good you can see it, but I will try to straighten up some of the little split yarns here. Maybe I can do a shaver or something to make it look much better. But that is what I would rate for Eddie the bear, and hopefully you enjoyed this review. They also had other ones. Eddie was like the last one in the aisle that I was in. They had like a frog and some other ones, but Eddie was a test run. I had never done a crochet kit before. So that's my review for Eddie the bear. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you can pick up one from Walmart, and if you have already, or if you decide to pick it up, let me know what you think about this. This is not sponsored by Walmart, Red Heart, or Yarnspiration. This is merely my personal review of this crochet kit. And I picked up Eddie, and I'll show you the finished project once it is complete. So until next time, my crafty friends, be sure to like, subscribe, turn your notifications so you know the next time I upload a video. And I will see you in the next.